Guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sell off your crypto coin and get your money. So follow me closely. We are going to be making use of Bybit. You can see Bybit over there, so you just click on Bybit and wait for it. So if you want to sell off your coin, this is a Bybit. If you want to sell off this coin, so we are having 26.97 US dollars. So what I'm going to do is to come and click at this P2P trading. So you click on P2P trading and you wait for it to load. So this is our P2P trading interface. You have to read this. It says, please note that with PalmPay, users can delete bank account record. Resolving related issues may take time. Consider alternative payment methods. So you have to click acknowledge. I hope you know what they meant by this. So for you to just avoid this totally, don't send money to anyone that is using PalmPay. So you just click on acknowledge. So you can see here I've done a video on how to deposit money into your crypto exchange. So that's when you make use of this buy and the filter. If you have not watched the video, please find the video and watch it. And if you have followed me to this extent in this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, it is very important to me. Can you just help me with the subscription button? It will not cost you anything. Just click on that subscription button, subscribe and like the video. So if you have done that, let's continue. So when you come here, you click on sell. You can see sell up there. You click on sell. So when you come here, you can see many people that their coins are ready, or many people that are running ads, right? All these people you are seeing now, they want to sell their coins, and what they are selling is USDT. How do you know they are selling USDT? You can see USDT here. They are selling USDT, and what you are using to buy is Naira. You can see Naira over there. So all these two, this USDT can still be changed to another coin, another crypto coin, and this Naira can also still be changed to any currency. So when you come here, I've done a video on what all these things means. This order number, this rate, order rate, I've done a video on that. So for you to stay at the safer side, I'm still going to do a video on how to avoid scams in this P2P trading. This is a safe place to trade, but there are a few persons that are just some things you have to avoid in order to stay safe. So when you come here, you have to filter this. You can see that almost all the accounts you have here are not verified, even though they have good rating. So for you to stay at the safer side, you just have to click on this filter here. You click on it to filter this. So when you click on it, all right, you click on it. So we have to place this at you have to click this, mark this box, so that will show us only eligible ads, those ads we are eligible to buy from. Then you also have to click on this show only verified advertisers. So by clicking on that, Bybit is going to be showing us only those people that are verified. So we click on it, and we are going to be leaving this price, highest to lowest like this, and then this time frame I'm going to be leaving it here, or in this one you can bring it to this completion rate. Click here. So by doing this, you have just sorted all the adverts, and Bybit is going to be showing you adverts based on their completion rate, starting from the highest. The ones that have highest completion rate are the ones that have smaller completion rate. So after this, you click on confirm. So this is where we are. You can see that everybody that Bybit is showing us here, their accounts are verified. You can see it here, verified. The accounts are verified, and again they have good completion rate. You can see it here. This is 100%, 100%, 100%. I've explained what completion rate means. It means that these people are fast, they send the money quick, and they are fast. And again, if you look at the order number, these guys have completed a large, huge number of order in this Bybit exchange. And again, their rating is also good, and all these things were shown to us because we filtered it. And the next thing for you to check out for is whether the person is online. You can see this green tick here. It signifies that this guy is online. So you can sell to somebody. I advise you not to sell to somebody that's not online, and again I advise you to sell to people that have good number of orders, right? Good number of orders, that's people that have completed a large number of order. It will help you, it will help your transaction. So after that, we click on sell. So let's make use of this ADDC Jet Pay. Click on sell. So when you come here, you are going to see this like this. So you have to read the remark that the person gives so that you know what the person is talking about. This one says, hello, I'm 247 online. Can you drop your number for payment and blah 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 blah. So you can actually trade with this guy. For here, I'm having just 2.1281 in my funding wallet. So before you can actually sell off your coin, you must have transferred it from your unified wallet to your funding wallet. So I'm going to do a video on that, on how to transfer your fund from unified wallet to your funding wallet. It's just very simple. So if you want to sell off all the coin, you just click on all. So you can see that the limit is 2.5877 USDT. So if to say we are up, if to say we're having up to the minimum, where you click here, you just have to click on sell. So you click on sell. Once you click on sell, the time we start reading here, and then the person will have to send you money. Once the person sends you money, you just go to your bank app, confirm the payment. Then once you confirm the payment, you come back here, you come back to this Bybit, and then you see where they said release coin. You click on that release coin, and then you release the person's coin to him or her. So this is just an easy way, well, you can sell off your coin and get your naira and get your money on Bybit. I hope this video helped you. Please just help me subscribe to this YouTube channel. It won't cost you anything. Just click on that subscription button and the like button, and I wish to see you in my next video.